Okay, so obviously that did not go very well today in the markets, just in general, right? Everything is down. There was a lot of volatility. I mean, I was following Square. That's what I was trading today. I got out of the trade really early. I had puts pretty much right at the open. It kind of went against me for a little while, and I did make some money on the contracts, but I didn't hold nearly as long as I should have. But these huge swings up and down, not just on Square, but you can look at SoFi as well. We lost all the gains from yesterday. Remember, they came out with earnings. We are up like 18%. Well, it came all the way back down, and today it's down like another, I want to say 6% or something like that. So we pretty much we lost all the gains, and now we're at levels lower than we were a few days earlier. The Fed came out with their interest rate hike, 75 basis points. Obviously, the market doesn't like it. Now, this is another reason I wasn't trying to hold any big positions into the Fed meeting, because it's just kind of like it goes either way. Like if I had gone, let's say, in on puts into the Fed meeting, well, into the Fed meeting, the Square had completely reversed, right? That particular stock completely reversed and was trying to tap the high of day again, and it had a little trouble with that, and then came right back down and went down even further. So the volatility was absolutely crazy. I'm sure there was money to be made, but a lot of people are probably underwater. There's probably a lot of longs that are starting to wonder, is this a bear market rally? What's going on here? So we start November off with a huge rug pull, and I'm a little frustrated myself because I feel like I'm trying to take advantage of these opportunities as best as I can, and sometimes I come up short. Sometimes I kind of you know get shaken out or just sell way too soon, and it happens. That's just part of the game, right? So I'm not gonna let that bleed over into tomorrow and the day after that. Just gotta, it is what it is. But I cut it at like 11. Then I went to the gym, and because if I sit there and trade all day, it's like it's just not good, right? Especially going into those later afternoon hours and going into a big macroeconomic event like the Fed rate hikes. It just wasn't a good idea. So I posted this short, the three top vegan stocks that I'm invested in, and Beyond Meat seems to be other people out there that are invested. One person, she said that she was like down 30% on Beyond Meat. I'm down, or I have been down about 31% on my Oatly position. I was also down like close to 30% on my SoFi position at one point in time. But when I'm down that much, I just kind of nibble, right? I just kind of keep adding over time, and I'm just trying to build out these positions. But yeah, I hold Beyond Meat, Tattooed Chef, Oatly. Yeah, those are my top vegan stocks that I'm trying to acquire more and more of. We'll just have to wait and see. I think some of these could still be penny stock ish, 6 months from now, but I'm trying to think about 5 years from now. What's a company like Oatly or Tattooed Chef or Beyond Meat, right? They're going to have bigger market share, probably. You're going to be competing even more with the traditional food companies if, they don't get bought out. So that's sort of, my thoughts. But yeah, really interesting market action. There's some frustrating moments, exciting moments, but I suppose as long as we're kind of, I mean, I'm green, right? I'm green on the day, green on the week. Can't really complain about that. Obviously, that could change at any point in time. I was down about $100 cash on my day trades at one point in time, but I just knew there was no way we were going up today. No way Square or PayPal, any of these fintech companies that I follow. We've got earnings for both Square and PayPal coming out tomorrow, which is another, it's kind of like it could go either way. Who really knows what's going to happen? So probably better to either just stick with shares or kind of sit it out and watch. Did I have a piece of hair on my forehead the whole time I was talking? All right, so with that, I'll leave it there. I'll see you guys on the next video.